White Oak Kitchen cabinets are making a serious comeback in 2025, but where do you get your hands on these without emptying the savings account? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly that and if ready-to-assemble options are any good, so stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the quality of these ready-to-assemble cabinets as well as pricing at the end. You will be the decision maker if these cabinets are good enough for your home and if you can afford them. Alright folks, first up, plywood. All AB cabinetry products come with half-inch grade A plywood. Plywood is so superior compared to MDF boxes, which is what you'll find out there most of the time, because of its resistance to chemicals, meaning if you spill something on it, such as bleach or something along the lines, it will hold up much better than MDF. Resistance to moisture compared to MDF as well as resistance to weight. So your countertops are pretty heavy, of course, as well as your double oven cabinets and things of that nature, your utensils and things like that. I mean, when you got 50 pounds of forks in your drawer, you want these things to be solid. So all our products do come with half-inch grade A plywood boxes, and our products do come with warranties. If anything was to break or anything of that nature, we definitely take care of it. So number one, quality plywood. That's what you need to look for. Next up, 3/4 inch hardwood dovetailed drawers. All our drawers come with 3/4 inch hardwood that are completely dovetailed. The dovetailed option really helps solidify things and just makes sure that this drawer will not be going anywhere. Our drawers also come with a full extension option, meaning the drawer will come out all the way. So that way you will not have to dig drawer just halfway open, okay? So full extension drawers come standard on all our cabinets. All of our cabinets come standard with 3/4 inch hardwood shelving. You can hear that quality. You will not have to worry about these shelves. We do have roll-out options as well for those wanting to fancy things up a little bit and really turn these into custom-like cabinets. So I will be showing you those on our website as well, but they're really awesome options. You can go ahead and add one or two on each of these cabinets, and folks usually add them into pantries and things of that nature as well. But they do come out completely, and they're a really great option for those quick grab items, and that way you don't have to be digging inside a cabinet for your things. So number 3, hardwood shelving. Last but surely not least, soft closing drawers and doors. Folks, these are options that you mostly get at custom cabinet shops, but you really don't have to pay ×3 or ×4 the price to get these kinds of options. These are definitely available, as you can see, in the ready-to-assemble options. So soft closing European style mechanisms that you just will not have to worry about a slamming sound ever again. And these things do come under warranty. If something was to break, let's say you're down the road, you slammed the door too hard and just something gave out, we'll definitely take care of that as well. So you don't have to worry about that. Soft closing doors and drawers for the win. Alrighty folks, as I promised at the beginning, we're gonna go ahead and show you some baseline pricing so you know exactly what to expect for your remodel. So we're gonna go ahead and log on to abcabinetry.com. Here we are on the home page. We're gonna scroll past all of this, and then we're gonna hit the get a quick estimate section. So again, this is a quick estimate. It's meant to be a rough estimate, all right? If you need a more detailed estimate, obviously we recommend using our 3D kitchen design services, or calling us for assistance, or emailing us, or anything like that. So again, this is just meant to be a baseline, all right? So take that for what it's worth. So we're gonna go ahead and click the L-shaped section here. Measure the full length of each wall with cabinets, not just the cabinetry sections, So we're gonna go ahead and say side A is 120 inches, and side B is also 120 inches. Let's say there's an island, okay? The island is 36 inches wide, since it's a small kitchen, and it's only 24 inches depth. We're gonna go ahead and click next. Since we're working with the white oak cabinets, we're gonna go ahead and click on that. Okie dokie, 23 linear feet. And then here you gotta type in some information. So pretty much what the price should be is around $2,500 for a 10 by 10 L-shaped kitchen in the slim oak. And yeah, so obviously you would type in your email address and it would send you a quote straight to your email. In the meantime, I'm going to also go ahead and show you what the actual cabinet pricing is. So I went ahead and clicked on the base cabinets, since that's what people are most familiar with. So a base 12 cabinet, meaning 12 inches wide, door on the bottom, drawer on the top, is $212. Base 24 inches wide, as you can see here, 2 doors on the bottom, drawer on top, $310. Let's keep going down. We got the two drawer base cabinets in the 24-inch wide section, $386. Microwave base cabinet, as you can see here, farm sink, $336. Sink base cabinet, $290. Lazy Susan, $258, starting at $258, I should say. And let's take a look at some. Let's take a look at pantries, and that's what folks like to see. We've got 18 wide, 84 tall pantry with 2 doors, $603. 4 doors, 24 wide, $662. We do also have oven cabinets as well, roll-out trays, vanities, you name it. So that's it for today, folks. Please go ahead and log on to abcabinetry.com, get yourself a quote, give us a call, and or even just start with a 3D kitchen design, which is what I always recommend. It's completely free, and we have so much other stuff going on here. We got different colors, different prices for each. If this is maybe out of your budget, you can always go with the DeLorean gray. It is, it's our most cost-effective option. So yeah, take a look for yourself and let us know what you think. If you need help, we're definitely here to help. Thanks again, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. There you have it, folks. I hope I was able to shine some light on these ready-to-assemble cabinets and how they line up there with regards to quality, to custom cabinets and things of that nature. You do not have to spend 3 or 4x on custom cabinets. It's just not necessary. You can get a really, really nice kitchen with the quality that I have shown you here for less than $5,000 for a really nice, decent-sized kitchen. A 10 by 10 L-shaped kitchen at AB Cabinetry is about $2,500. So please don't overspend, don't be fooled. Look at all your options. Our team is always here to help, whether you need a free kitchen design or just have questions of any sort regarding cabinets. We are here for you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye now.